phone.
Hey, Joanne.
Hey, Ben, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm all right.
What's going on? You sound hesitant.
Yeah, well, I'm so excited about traveling with students, but I can't figure out ways to get administrative approval. I'm also struggling with a very poor income level, so I need help with fundraising and I can't think of anything. I also can't figure out ways to recruit these students.
Listen, I'm so glad you're telling me this, and I understand how you feel. To be honest, a lot of group leaders have felt the exact same way, but what they found is by all of the resources we have, and my support here too, we're gonna take care of you and we're gonna get this trip off the ground. Also, we've created a mini-series for group leaders that are also by group leaders to help you along the way. And let me just show you what it looks like, okay?
Okay, cool.
Hi, I'm Helen from Tampa, and I'm going to talk to you about getting school administration buy-in.
Hi, I'm Liz from Iowa, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about parental involvement and how to get your parents bought in and helping get your kids on these tours.
Hi, I'm Victoria and I'm from Toronto. I'll be talking about fundraising.
Hi, I'm Ida from Montreal and I'm going to help you with recruitment.
And this is
GL Talks.